In the hydrological cycle, rain is the first form of water and is the primary source. The average annual rainfall of India is 1,200 millimeters. Only 35% runoff is utilized and balance simply goes waste by flowing into the sea. For instance, when it rains in a city, while considering minimum rainfall of 25 millimeters per day, and let us assume a medium individual house of 100 square meters of roof area yields around 2,000 liters of water and 10 houses 20,000 liters. Supposing a residential urban block consisting of 500 houses with a rooftop area of around 100 square meters, each such block would yield 1 million liters of water in a day, and it is regretted that it flows as waste into the drain. Let us think over what happens in the area of such a numerous blocks in the city. The colossal quantity of precious rainwater is wasted since it flows into the drains and it overflows. This will cause havoc like destroying and damaging roads, clogging street drains, besides causing detrimental effects to human life and property. This very water required for human consumption would have to be pumped back, filtered and transported through expensive pipelines and water tankers. The only solution to overcome this problem is by adopting rainwater harvesting methods. Now in India, first of its kind, dual-intensity, self-cleaning rooftop rainwater harvesting filters, Rainy, have been designed, manufactured and sold through a wide network of dealers throughout India by Farmland Rainwater Harvesting System, Chikmagalur, Karnataka. The firm's continuous efforts, extensive research and developmental work of over a decade resulted in the invention of a completely revolutionary type dual-intensity rainwater harvesting filters based on the working principle of cohesion and centrifugal force. The downtake pipes from the roof has to be interconnected and lead till the filter unit and has to be connected to the inlet of the rainy filter. The rainwater, along with dirt and debris, flows by gravity through the pipeline, enters into the filter, starts rotating in anti-clockwise direction at the periphery of the upper housing so as to flow into the SS304 filter element placed in the lower housing in angular motion at specific velocity, which creates cohesive force at low intensity and centrifugal force during high intensity of rainfall, which aids the filter element to flush out automatically the dirt and debris through the drain outlet and simultaneously divert clean water into the sump or recharging well through the clean water outlet. By storing of water in the sump and reutilizing, around 35% of the annual requirement of a household can be met. Prevents waterlogging in low-lying areas. Dependency on water tankers, groundwater and corporation water can also be much reduced.
We don't spend any money on the water tankers. Plus there is no cost in maintaining the systems.
Due to the dilution effect, the hardness, salinity and TDS contents in the borewell reduces, and also it replenishes the deeper layers of the Earth's crust, which in turn insulates the Earth from the rise in temperature. Thereby, it helps reducing global warming.
The water table is going down and down day after day. Now, the water harvesting should be employed by everybody, and that is the only way we can get pure water, good water, continuous supply of water.
Farmland has recharged over 3,000 bore wells both in the private and public sector and installed more than 10,000 rooftop rainwater harvesting filters in rural and urban areas. Hundreds of government lower and higher primary schools have also been benefited in terms of assured drinking water supply as well as quality water for cooking midday meals.
ಇದರಿಂದ ತುಂಬಾ ಅನುಕೂಲವಾಗಿದೆ. ಬಿಸಿ ಊಟಕ್ಕೆ, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕುಡಿಯಲು, ಕೈಕಾಲು ತೊಳೆಯಲು, ತಟ್ಟೆ ತೊಳೆಯಲು, ಅರೆ ಕೈಯುವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
These filters, with its special features, differs in many aspects from the other conventional and mechanical filters existing in the market. The rainy filter has open drain outlet in order to avoid stagnation of water and dirt particles inside the filter. Filter inlet and outlet connections can be rotated 360 degrees to suit to the pipeline direction. Bypass valve is provided in the filter to divert the sudden summer rains into the drain. The filter efficiency remains unchanged even with the variation of intensity of rainfall. Fully enclosed and compact in size, so minimum space is sufficient to install. The versatility of these filters is such that they can even be fitted inside the ducts. Tough, high-density, ultraviolet treated high-density polyethylene housing is built to last long. Filter element is made out of SS304 steel and it is food graded. The filter being wall mountable, it can be fitted with wall bracket and flexible rubber straps with hooks. Inlet, outlet and drain outlets can be connected easily through the rubber bushes and bellows to the existing pipes. Various models are available to suit various dimensions of roof areas as per the requirements of consumers. Since the filters do not have any moving parts, there is no wear and tear of the filter. Hence, it enables long lifespan. Due to simplicity in connection, local plumbers, technicians can easily install the filter. The technology of filter components is of food grade, environment friendly, and recyclable. If the filter element is clogged, no consumables are required. It can be easily removed, washed, and reinserted. Hence, the maintenance is easy.